Hey guys, are you want to buy best drones? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best drones that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jardom drones with camera. The Jardom 4K camera drone is a feature-rich, beginner-friendly drone designed for smooth, stable flights and high-quality aerial photography. With GPS positioning, it offers one-key return, low battery return, and out-of-range auto-return for safer flights. Obstacle avoidance and optical flow mode enhance precision. Potensic Drone includes dual HD cameras with a 90 adjustable front lens, real-time image transmission, eyes anti-shake, intelligent follow, and more. It supports easy control with a 6-channel gyroscope system and offers various flight modes like one-button surround and trajectory flight. The foldable design and rechargeable LCD remote make it portable and user-friendly. With 3 batteries providing up to 75 minutes of flight time, it's ideal for outdoor use, perfect for beginners. It also comes with responsive customer support for any questions or issues. Make sure to calibrate before flying for the best experience. Now, our second product is Redrie Foldable Drone. Beginners. The JY02 drone is a perfect starter drone for beginners, combining ease of use with fun and functionality. With one key start and a stable hover system, it offers smooth control and effortless flying. Its 108 OPHD adjustable camera captures crisp photos and live videos via the Redrie Fly app, letting you enjoy FPV from a distance. Cool lights and exciting features like gesture, selfies, voice control, 360 flips, waypoint fly, and more keep every flight entertaining. 3 speed settings and headless mode cater to all skill levels. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for up to 25 minutes of flight, and built-in safety features like emergency stop, propeller guards, and low-power alarms ensure safe operation. Compact and travel-ready in its storage case. The JY02 is a trusted drone companion backed by responsive 24/7 customer support. Our third product is Potensic Atom 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. The Atom 4K drone. It's a powerful yet lightweight, under 249 grams, aerial companion that doesn't require FAA or remote ID registration, making it perfect for hassle-free adventures. Featuring a Sony CMO sensor, a 12MP camera, and a 3-axis gimbal. It captures ultra-smooth 4K 30 EFPs footage even in windy conditions. With 3 batteries and a fast 1.3-hour charge hub, enjoy up to 96 minutes of total flight time. The upgraded PicSync 3.0 tech ensures a strong, stable 6 km transmission range, packed with creative features like visual tracking, quick shots, boomerang, rocket, spiral, and auto-return via GPS. It's both fun and beginner-friendly. The intuitive controls, foldable design, and included storage bag make it perfect for travel. Plus, you'll receive a 64GB microSD card as a bonus. Stay updated with firmware to keep unlocking enhanced performance. Ideal for creators and explorers alike. Now, number 4, Stone GPS Drone for Katha. Stone HS175G is an upgraded drone tailored for adult users, featuring a 4K EIS camera with a Sony CMO sensor, 120 wide-angle lens, and 90 adjustable tilt for stunning aerial shots. Its 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth, stable video, even in windy conditions. Equipped with GPS auto-return, it safely returns home if the signal is lost or battery is low. The drone includes 2 batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of flight time and supports fast single battery charging. Beginner-friendly features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and one-key takeoff, landing make flying easy. Its foldable, lightweight design under 250 grams fits in the included carrying case and avoids FAA registration. Powerful brushless motors and adjustable speeds add versatility, while advanced intelligent modes such as Follow Me and Waypoint Flight boost creativity. Continuous app updates enhance performance and user experience. And our last choice is Loiley Drone with Comrade. The Loiley drone is a compact, beginner-friendly drone featuring a high-quality 2K Ultra HD camera with a 90 adjustable angle for stunning photos and videos. Its optical flow positioning and altitude ensure stable, smooth flights, making it easy to capture perfect shots. The intuitive headless mode and one-touch start-land simplify flying for new users. Lightweight and foldable, only 5 by 3 by 2 inches. It fits easily into a pocket or backpack and weighs under 250 grams, avoiding FAA registration. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, it offers up to 26 minutes of flight time and includes safety features like overvoltage protection and low battery warnings. The package also includes propeller guards, spare blades, a portable travel bag, and 24/7 customer support, making it a reliable, safe, and fun drone for travel and adventure enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.